पिछले वीडियो में हमने यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, एवरेज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, स्पीड, एवरेज स्पीड और यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड को डिस्कस किया था। आज के वीडियो में उन्हीं के बेस्ड क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। न्यूमेरिकल्स बेस्ड ऑन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, स्पीड, एवरेज स्पीड एंड यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड। The first question is, a scooterist covers a distance of 3 km. Covers a distance of 3 km. A scooterist covers a distance of 3 km in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. So calculate his speed in centimeter per second. Calculate his speed in centimeter per second, in meter per second and in kilometer per hour. There is a question. A scooterist covers a distance of 3 km in 5 minutes. We have to calculate his speed in centimeter per second, meter per second and kilometer per hour. So first we have to find his speed in centimeter per second. So we'll have to convert this distance in centimeter and the time must be converted in second. So the distance is 3 km. We have to convert it into centimeter. So firstly we will convert into meter. In 1 kilometer there is 1000 meter and in 1 meter there is 100 centimeter. So the distance has been converted into centimeter. Now time have to be converted into second. So time is given 5 minutes. It becomes, in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So it becomes 5 into 60 seconds. Now the formula for speed. Speed equals to distance traveled upon time taken. Distance traveled is 3 into 1000 into 100 and time taken is 5 into 60. So 1 0 cancelled, 3, 6 divided by 3, 2, 5 into 2, 10, 10 gets cancelled. So the result is 10. 1000 centimeter per second. The speed is 1000 centimeter per second. Now we have to find the speed in meter per second. So again use the formula. Speed equals to distance upon time taken. Distance 3 km. So convert this into meter multiplied by 1000 and time already we have converted into second, 5 into 60. This comes to be 10 meter per second. And the third part we have to find the distance in kilometer per hour. So distance is 3 kilometer and time is given in minute. So we will have to convert the time into hour, and in 1 minute there are, in 60 minutes there is 1 hour. So to convert from minute to hour, we will have to divide by 60. It comes to be 5 by 60 hour, and use the formula speed equals to distance upon time. Distance is 3 kilometer, so 3 upon 5 by 60. Write down in multiple form 3 by 1 into 60 by 5, 12 into 3, 36 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed in kilometer per hour, 36 kilometer per hour. Next question. A car travels 30 kilometers. A car travels 30 kilometers. A car travels 30 kilometers with a uniform speed. With a uniform speed of 40 kilometers per hour. The car travels a distance of 30 kilometers with a speed of uniform speed of 40 kilometers per hour, and the next 30 kilometers with a uniform speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Next 30 kilometers at a uniform speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Find his average speed. Find his average speed. So the question is, a car travels 30 kilometers. First 30 kilometer distance is covered by a car with a uniform speed of 40 kilometers per hour, and the next 30 kilometer distance is covered by a car with a uniform speed of 20 kilometers per hour. We have to find his average speed. So firstly, this is AB distance, and total length of this path is 60 kilometers. Car travels 30 kilometers, first 30 kilometers with a uniform speed. This is 30 kilometer distance from A to C. The distance is 30 kilometers, and the uniform speed in this segment, uniform speed in first 30 kilometers is given 40 kilometers per hour, and the next 30 kilometer distance, is covered with a uniform speed of 20 kilometer per hour. So in a complete journey, we have to find average speed. So firstly, we will find time taken by the car to cover a distance AC, which is 30 kilometer, at a uniform speed of 40 kilometer per hour. So time taken by the car to cover first 30 kilometer distance. T1 time equals to speed distance upon speed. Time equals to distance upon speed. And the distance is 30 kilometer and speed is 40 kilometer per hour. So it gives 3/4 hour. So time taken to cover first 30 kilometer distance is 3/4 hour. And time taken to cover the next 30 kilometer distance. The next 30 kilometer distance. T2 equals to distance upon speed. Distance is again 30 kilometer and the speed is given 20 kilometer per hour. So it comes to be 3/2 hour. Now we will use the formula for average speed. So average speed equals to total distance traveled. Total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance traveled by total time taken to cover that distance. And total distance is 60 kilometer, 30 and 30, 60 kilometer. And total time taken means T1 plus T2. So put the value of T1 and T2, 3/4 plus 3/4, 60 by, taking LCM, 4 and 2, LCM is 4, it gives 3 plus 6, and this is 60 by 9/4. It comes right down in multiple form, 60/1 into 4/9, 20/20 into 4, 80/3. This is 26.4 kilometer per hour. So this is the average speed in a complete journey, 26.6 kilometer per hour. Now let us see next question. On a 120 kilometer track, on a 120 kilometer track, there is a track of length 120 kilometers. A train travels the first 30 kilometers. A train travels the first 30 kilometers. On a track of 120 kilometers, the train travels first 30 kilometers at a uniform speed of, at a uniform speed of 40 kilometer per hour. At a uniform speed of 30 kilometer per hour. On a 120 kilometer track, a train travels the first 30 kilometer with a uniform speed of 30 kilometer per hour. So how fast must the train traverse the next 90 kilometers? How fast must the train travel the next 90 kilometer? The next 90 kilometer. The next travels the next 90 kilometer. So as to average 6. So as to average 60 kilometer per hour for entire trip. In this question, we have given that there is a track. AB is the track, and the length of this track AB is 120 kilometers. The length of track AB is 120 kilometers, and a train travels the first 30 kilometers. A train travels the first 30 kilometers with a uniform speed of 30 kilometers per hour. And suppose time taken to cover this much distance AC, time taken to cover the distance AC is T1. So how fast the train travels the, and suppose speed V1 is 30 km per hour, how fast the train travels the next 90 km? In next 90 km, what would be the speed? How fast must the train travel the next 90 km? What would be the speed in next 90 km? What would be the speed of train in next 90 km? So suppose the speed of train in next 90 km is V2 km per hour and average 60 km per hour for entire train. We have given average speed. Average speed for entire train. Average speed for entire train is given 60 km per hour. So for first 30 km, the average is the uniform speed is given. We have to find the uniform speed in next 90 km, and the average speed for entire train is given. So firstly, we will calculate the time taken by the train to cover a distance of first 30 km. Time taken by the train to cover the distance of first 30 km. And this time we have supposed T1. So T1 time equals to distance upon speed. Distance is 30 km and the speed is 30 km per hour. So time taken to cover the first 30 kilometer distance comes to be 1 hour. Now we will calculate time taken by the train. Time taken by the train to cover the next 90 kilometer distance. And in this interval, the time taken, suppose T2. So T2 equals to time equals to distance upon speed. Distance is 90 kilometer and the speed we have supposed v2. Now we use the formula for average speed. Total distance traveled upon total time taken. So average speed for the entire trip is 60 km per hour and total distance is 30 plus 90, 120 km. And total time taken means T1 plus T2. So 60 equals to 120. Put the value of time T1 which is 1 hour and T2 is 90 by V2. Now do cross multiplication. So 60 into 1. 60 plus 60 into 90 upon V2 equals to 120 and 60 into 90 upon V2. 60 will go on right side, becomes negative. 120 minus 60 which is 60. So it comes 60 into 90 equals to, by cross multiplication, 60 into V2. 60 and 60 gets cancelled and V2 comes to be 90 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed V2 in the next 90 kilometer. The speed V2 in the next 90 kilometer. Next question. Train A traveled a distance of train A travels a distance of 120 km. Train A travels a distance of 120 km in 3 hours. In 3 hours. Whereas another train B, another train B travels a distance of 180 km in 4 hours. In 4 hours. So which train moves faster? we have to find that which train moves faster. So firstly we will find for train A. We have to find its velocity. So for train A, velocity v1 equals to distance speed v1 equals to distance upon time. Distance is 120 km and time taken is 3 hours. So speed of train A comes to be 40 km per hour. And for train B, same formula will be used. Speed of train B, v2 equals to again distance travelled upon time taken. In this case, the distance is 180 km and time taken is 4. It gives 45 km per hour. So since the speed of train B is greater than the speed of train A, therefore train B moves faster. Train B, which is moving with a speed of 45 km per hour, and it